Introducing the DW089 Self-Leveling line laser by DeWalt. Building upon the strong heritage of our current line laser, the DW087, we have developed a durable laser with added features for increased visibility and ease of use. By adding a second plumb line and intersecting the lines, the DW089 is able to produce 90-degree reference marks on both the floor and ceiling. This is a key feature that resonates with both commercial and residential pro users. Commercial framers value this feature, as well as the track clearance of over 1 3/4 inches, as it aids in the layout of both bottom and top track. This integrated track clearance means there is no need for any additional accessory to raise the laser over the track. Residential installers now have a laser that can do both cabinet and trim installation, as well as floor and wall tile. The DW089 features a 6-second delay for out-of-level applications, for instance, trimming a stairwell. A common frustration with lasers in layout work is the sensitivity of the line hitting specific marks. Our micro adjust knob allows pros to steadily adjust their 90-degree layout in small increments, eliminating the need to nudge the laser to hit a specific mark. To improve visibility, we updated the laser to be twice as bright as our DW087. As far as accuracy, the DW089 maintains the same accuracy as the DW087, 1/8 of an inch at 30 feet. This distance is common among job site applications, and our research has found that a majority of users will move their laser if they need to go beyond that distance. The DW089 also features an integrated magnetic pivoting bracket, which offers users a proven system for mounting the laser at various heights. For different materials, the kit includes a wall mount bracket that enables the laser to mount on wood, as well as acoustical ceiling track. For added durability, we designed the pendulum glass case to be surrounded by a full metal roll cage. The laser is designed to withstand a 3-foot drop and remain in calibration. With end-user driven accuracy, improved features, and DeWalt proven durability, the DW089 stands above the competition.